Everyone says cardio keeps you young. They are wrong. If you're only doing cardio, you're actually aging faster. Weightlifting, when done right, is the most powerful anti-aging drug you'll ever use. No prescription needed. Alright, let's talk about something that might trigger few people, but will absolutely change your health if you listen through. For years, we have been told do more cardio for your heart, cardio for fat loss, cardio for longevity. But what if I told you that too much cardio and not enough strength training is one of the biggest reasons people look older, lose muscle, slows their metabolism, and feel weaker every single year? That's right. The very thing that you think is helping you live longer might be making you failure. Here is the truth. Muscle isn't just for bodybuilders. It's the organ of longevity. Every rep you lift, every muscle fiber you build communicates with your brain, your hormone, your mitochondria, and even your immune system. Muscle tissue is your body's built-in pharmacy. It releases myokines, natural anti-inflammatory compounds that protect your brain, your metabolism, and your energy levels. So when I say weightlifting is the ultimate anti-aging drug, I mean that literally. So why cardio alone doesn't work? Now don't get me wrong, cardio has its place. It improves endurance and your heart health, but it doesn't protect you against the number one thing that causes aging, muscle loss. So after the age of 30, you lose about 3 to 8% of your muscle mass per decade if you're not lifting. That's called sarcopenia. The silent muscle loss that leads to slow metabolism, fatigue, insulin resistance, and even depression, anxiety-like symptoms. And here is the kicker. Cardio doesn't stop that. In fact, excessive cardio accelerates muscle breakdown. You have probably seen people who run every day but look skinny fat. Yes, they are lighter on the scale, but weaker, softer, and metabolically slower. That's because they have traded their muscle for endurance. And while their heart is strong, their metabolism is weaker. So why weightlifting is the anti-aging medicine? Every time you challenge a muscle under tension, you are not just building strength, you are sending a signal to your body. Stay young, stay capable. Resistance training increases growth hormone, testosterone level, and IGF-1 naturally, the same hormone that declines with age. It also improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and activates your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouse that controls how your cells act. Think of muscle as your youth battery. The more you have, the longer it lasts. Want tighter skin, better posture, sharper mind? Start lifting today. Now let's talk about the mitochondrial connection. When you lift weight, your mitochondria adopts. They grow stronger, more efficient, and more numerous. And since mitochondria powers every single cell, that means more energy, faster fat burning, sharper focus, and slower biological clock. In other words, your cellular age goes backwards. Weightlifting literally reprograms your cell to behave younger. Now let's talk inflammation, the real aging accelerator. Chronic inflammation destroys your mitochondria, slows recovery, and wrecks your hormone. But when you lift properly, not overtrain, but stimulate, you trigger anti-inflammatory myokines that heals your system. And when this combined with the quality protein, proper sleep, and recovery, it builds the metabolic shield around you. Your insulin works better, your mood stabilizes, and your hormones rebalances. That's not fitness, that's the functional medicine in motion. The mental and emotional edge. Weightlifting doesn't just change your body, it changes your mind. When you lift heavy, you train resilience. You teach your nervous system how to adapt under pressure, not panic. That's why strength training reduces anxiety, improves confidence, and boosts dopamine and serotonin naturally. Every rep is a therapy. Every session is brain training. So what is the ideal routine for longevity? Here is what I recommend for most adults. 3 to 4 strength training sessions per week. Focus on big lifts like squats, presses, pulls, deadlifts, but do some type of strength training. 1 to 2 cardio sessions per week. Walking, biking, or short interval training. Prioritize recovery, quality sleep, protein intake, proper hydration, taking supplements like magnesium, creatine, omega-3s. Remember, lifting isn't about ego, it's about function. It's about being able to live, move, and perform at your best at any age. Now, here is the truth that nobody tells you. People fear lifting because they think that they'll get bulky, but that's impossible without excessive calories, hormones, or genetic. But instead, here is what you will get if you do proper strength training: faster metabolism, better posture, improved mood, balanced hormones, and the confidence of knowing your body won't fail you. That's anti-aging. That's the medicine. That's what we call it, you taking control. So next time someone tells you that just do more cardio, tell them this: I am training for longevity, not exhaustion. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe. I share science-based strategy on functional medicine, performance, and longevity every week. And if you really want to learn how to optimize your hormones, mitochondria, or fat loss the right way, visit us here at MyFitMed to learn more. Train smart, live long, and I'll see you in the next one.